Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tandy, and if you're returning, thank you so much for tuning in to another one of my videos. Today we're going to talk about what came in my boxy mail, because I have a little bit of mixed reviews, so I figured why not come on camera and talk to you guys about it, because maybe you may or may not have felt the same way. So without further ado, let's talk boxing. First and foremost, if you guys don't know what BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription box for makeup, beauty products alike, and it costs about $21 a month, and they send you anywhere from about 4 to 5 products a month. I have a couple reviews of BoxyCharm versus my Ipsy GLAM bag, which is another subscription beauty service. A lot of people are familiar with Ipsy. BoxyCharm is different from Ipsy in the sense that they give you full-size products. So you're gonna get a full-size palette if it comes in that month. You'll also be getting like full-size concealers, full-size eyeliners for only $21 a month. Like, you cannot beat that, you guys, especially if you are an avid makeup buyer like I am. My thought process behind getting my BoxyCharm subscription was, hey, maybe it'll stop me from spending so much money on random items throughout the month, and I know I have, okay, this is my set budget for makeup. And it has helped with that, although of course from time to time I still pick up different products. I mean, that's just how I am. Ugh. Oh Lord, y'all. Y'all ain't tell me I have something in my teeth. You know, if you refer a friend, BoxyCharm will give you points, and they also give you free products. I'll leave my link down in the description box if you guys want to check out BoxyCharm and sign up. This month was a really good box. The theme was wildflower. I am so animated with my hands. Like, what's up with all of this? Let's talk about these eyes though. First and foremost, BoxyCharm this month sent, these are the trio brush set from Alomar Cosmetics. And you guys know I am a junkie for brushes. I wish I could show you guys all my brush collection. Maybe I will. If you guys want to see a brush collection video where I describe, you know, how to use each brush, leave a comment down below, because I love makeup brushes. I mean, I say this all the time, you can never have too many tools to perfect your craft. These are like staple brushes to create just about any eye look. Amazing quality. I really love the Alomar Cosmetics palette that came, and I think it was July's box. I'll leave a link up in the cards up here for you guys to check that out. But these brushes are just as banging as the palette is. Also, I was able to get this Hank and Henry. This is from the new collection, the Lip Aesthetic, and this is in the shade Petal Pusher. I am wearing it on my lips. I don't have my lips lined, so this is a true to color on my skin tone. This is a very nice nude. I mean, you really can't go wrong with this color. I feel like I have this color several times already, but one thing that always separates one lipstick from the next, even though they might be the same color, is the formula. It's matte, obviously it's matte, but it's also not too drying on my lips. Like, my lips still feel like they have movement to them, and my lips still feel smooth and hydrated. I did not prime my lips prior to this. I will say that I like the formula of this, and it actually feels like it would last a really, really long time. Also, I was able to get this Butter London Lustrous liner, and this is a metallic liquid liner. I am not too big on liquid liners period. I'm not a liner. I love lashes, but I'm not really like a liner person. But this kind of liner is perfect for the fall. It's got just enough sparkle to kind of give your eye a little bit of extra pizzazz, so to speak, but without being too, I guess, over the top. I am wearing it today. I have a little something there, you know. Very, very fine tip. I'll show you guys how, like, you see that? So it definitely glides very smooth. It's a good liner. I also got this Gellar blush. This is the Tropic Hues Blush and Brighten blush. It's a baked blush, and it's just a nice kind of pink color, and it has rose gold undertones and lilac undertones in it to give your cheeks a nice pop and glow to them. You don't even need to have highlight on your cheeks with this, because it just gives you that You know who these remind me of? These remind me kind of the Milani Baked Blushes. And last but not least, in my BoxyCharm box, I got this palette here. This is a, what is this? Nightingale palette by Vulgar Cosmetics. At first look, this palette just doesn't really scream me. I mean, I didn't even know what kind of look I was gonna come up with for my face today. It's just a lot of colors that I wouldn't normally go for. If you like cool tones, this would be the palette for you. It's definitely not gonna be my go-to. However, the formula of these shadows are amazing. This palette is definitely a high quality palette. Like, that's a very pigmented color. This is the shade I Spy. Oh, I should have used that color. This is like a purpley brown. So I think that is all that came in my BoxyCharm. I am pleased with all of the items that came in my box. I feel like I definitely got my bang for my buck for only $21 this month. I am happy. Like, a girl is happy. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you like this makeup look, I will be uploading a tutorial. So if you want total full makeup details, then definitely check out my Instagram. Follow me at Tandy Colada. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and hit those post notifications so that you can be notified the next time we all meet back here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you guys next week.